Welcome back to another video. Today we have Makita deals. Don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon so we can buy more tools, make more tool review videos. That's the way YouTube runs their platform, by subscribers and likes. Yes, we're doing Makita only, so you're only going to see blue tools today. Let me know down in the comment section if this is something you would want to see. Remember, hit the like button to support this type of video. Yeah, so we're dividing all the videos now from all the brands. Each brand is getting their own video. So that's something new that I'm just starting. Hopefully this is something that you guys want to watch. Here's the $279 for the Makita impact driver drill driver. Now you got $199 for the string trimmer. So you guys see there. Most of these tools are here on the bottom. So $279 for the brushless drill driver and impact driver with the bag and 2 batteries, I believe. This is 2-piece combo kit hammer drill. Oh, so it is a hammer drill. Just to let you know, you got the Makita 18-inch push mower, $499. I believe it does include 4 batteries. So it says 36-volt LXT brushless 18-inch lawnmower kit. So you guys see there. Performance, no gas. And it says get 4 LXT batteries. So I guess you get a total of 4. 43-minute runtime. I don't know if it says under load. 1/3 of an acre. So you can do up to 1/3 of an acre on these. I guess on these batteries. Then you got the model number down there. It is a push mower, just to let you know. $129 for the cordless edge trimmer tool only. So that's the edge trimmer. It's a 22-inch LXT 18 volts. Really nice. Got the chainsaw for $199. Got XCU06Z. So that's pretty much the model number there. And let's see what else we got here. So $279 for the trimmer blower combo from Makita 18 volts. So this is battery operated. It's a 2-piece combo kit. String trimmer, blower. And that's the string trimmer there. Makita built-in brushless motor delivers more power. So you got more power, and according to them. So you got 18 volt brushless blower tool only. So that's it's actually pretty compact. It's very comparable to the Milwaukee. $129, and then when you got the brushless string trimmer, maybe the kit for $199. Yep, it's the kit. So LXT lithium. That's the kit there. And then we got some of these buy one get one free deals here. Remember to check those out when you guys are here at the Home Depot. It's awesome deals. You got definitely some sockets here. Really good impact rated sockets for driving all those lags. $9.97. We ended up picking a couple of these so we can use them here on the channel. So we can do some further testing. Make sure you guys subscribe. If you guys want to watch, these tools go at it at each other, basically fight each other, see which one's better, see which one's faster, or see which one does the job better. So $229 18 volt subcompact brushless driver kit. We did manage to get this kit with the battery, with the free battery, but you can get this with the free speaker there, job site speaker. That's what it's called. 12 volts, 18 volts job site speaker. You can get a light. That's the light there. And that's the circular saw, the 6.5 circular saw, subcompact brushless. And you got the LXT brushless. That's the kit that we managed to get. So you're gonna be seeing that on the channel pretty soon. I still haven't got to it yet. I got some of it recorded, but that's the free battery you guys could get with that too. I believe it's a 5 amp hour battery. So you can get any of those tools with the purchase of that impact driver or drill driver combo. You got different blades here, really good deals. You got a 60 tooth, a 40 tooth, and a 24 tooth. Remember guys, the more tooth, the better, the finer, the better finish you're going to get off that cut. So you got $39.97 for the vacuum attachment. You got $99 for the vacuum kit. Alright, that's the attachment right there. It's a cyclonic vacuum attachment. And you got the model number there, the whatever that is. And then here's the vacuum. I know it's backwards, but We'll take a quick pick here at the other box. So it's 18 volt compact vacuum kit. So it is a whole kit with a battery, a 2.0 amp hour battery, 25-minute runtime. I guess it does include a charger. And you got a blower. This is a shop blower, guys. This is not going to be a leaf blower. I know there were some customers here who were asking me, would this work on my yard? I'm telling you, no. This is just a surface blower type of thing. $279, and you get a free battery. So make sure you guys pick your deals, because there's a lot of deals going on, and you guys got $99 for the impact tool only, and then you got drill driver and impact driver. I believe these are brushed units, brush tools for $179. Steel grade tools, don't get me wrong. You got the subcompact there for $229. Remember, you guys could get that free tool with that one. And then that's the $279. That's the one you get the free battery. That's a really great deal. I believe it's a hammer drill. And that's a hammer drill and an impact driver. That's the newest one for $399. We're going to have a deal later on this video for that one. But yeah, that's the impact driver, subcompact $159. And then you got the hammer drill for $149. And then you got the impact driver. And then you got some discs here. You got the X-Lock, the new ones, $159, $179. This is the deal I was telling you guys. So $399, you pay that up front for that drill driver and impact driver, which are the newer ones, with 2 batteries, and then you get 2 free batteries, 2 5 amp hour batteries. Here's the new grinders, $159, $179. That's the X-Lock. As you guys see, it's very different than the regular. All you do is just pull the lever on the top, and it'll just release it. Very simple, very quick change. I know there's a lot of videos out there that people already are doing these reviews on these tools. I'm not going to go over them because there's a lot of them out there. But these are pretty much the prices on the wheels and the tools there. You got $399 for that impact driver drill driver combo that I was telling you guys earlier. And then that's the 45 piece. And then here's the 2 batteries for $199. I believe this is the one you're getting for free, the 2 battery kit. And $149 for the jigsaw, $149 for the circular saw. Those are brushless tools, or at least the brush circular saw. And then you got a reciprocating saw, $149. And I believe you're getting this one for free too. So 45 piece. This is a really nice toolkit here. You got some nut drivers. You got some 2-inch bits, some 1-inch bits. And here's the angle grinders again. Here's some of those wheels, those diamond wheels. Definitely check them out. There's a lot of nice accessories to check out. And here's the Diablo. So these are pretty much going to be your your working platform here. Your blade's going to be your standard blades. So pretty simple. I guess you buy 2 and you get 1 free. So you just have to buy the deals here. You got a blower. It's a clearance for $84. Guys, that's it for today. Let me know down in the comment section what you guys think about this video. Don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon, and stay tuned. I will be having some more brands at Home Depot. So we'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.